I have a snappy way to turn your favorite fabric into your favorite scrunchie. All you need is a 5 by 26 inch piece of fabric and a 10-inch piece of elastic that is 1/4 inch wide. To get a 5 by 26 inch piece, you'll start by folding your fabric in half and cutting a 5 by 13 inch section, and then when you unfold it, it will be 5 by 26. Once you have a 5 by 26 inch piece, you'll fold it right sides together, matching the short end, and we'll sew along the short end, back stitching at the beginning and end of our seam. Now that you have your tube made, you're going to lay it facing up, and you're going to finger press your seam open. Once you have your seam open, you'll flip your tube over, and you're going to match your top layers together and fold it up as skinny as possible. And then you're going to take your seam side and match your seams together, right sides together, and we'll head to the sewing machine. To begin sewing, you're going to start 1 inch above your seam using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. You'll back tack at the beginning, sew all the way down your fabric as far as you can. Leaving your needle down, you'll pull more fabric through your tube using the burrito method. You'll continue that all the way to the very end of your seam. And then at the end, you'll leave a 1.5 inch section unsewed so we can insert our elastic. Once you finish sewing, it's time to insert the elastic. We're going to use an easy loop turner, and we're going to stick the elastic through the opening and move it to the skinny side. You'll hold your elastic with the handle, stick it through your fabric tube, and then once you get to the other side, you can hold both ends of your elastic and remove your turner. You'll tie your elastic like a balloon, and then we will flip your fabric inside out. Once you have your scrunchie right side out, you'll want to top stitch your opening together and get ready to be so stylish. Find your perfect fabric for your scrunchie at Nebraska Quilt Company.